everyone, my name is Tina and today I'm going to be taking you around a little bit of Tokyo and exploring. We're going to be going to one of the most famous temples in Tokyo called Sensō-ji Temple and exploring the city around it, a prefecture of Tokyo called Taito City. It should be really fun. I just have to finish doing my hair and then we'll get going. So see you soon.
Look at his beady little eyeballs.
Yeah.
You were the worst enemy in Crash Bandicoot 3.
Oh my god.
Look at your teeth. Look at your
so
nose.
Big.
It's like his nose is jolting out. Like
I like the other ones in the back too. You got the big boy, the little boy, and the dark boy.
Oh, there is a little tiny boy in there.
I'm saving all my love for you. I'm saving all my love for you. Bounce. Bounce. Bounce.
the little
Oh my
Nescos.
gosh!
Nescos of every kind.
Every Nesco. Look at him.
I'm saving all my love for you. I'm saving all my love for you. Bounce. Bounce.
Press it at the right time. You'll get it. You suck!
I didn't even touch it.
You're trash!
I didn't touch it. I didn't press the
Okay, try it
button.
again. Try it again. You gotta put 100 yen in.
I didn't even touch it.
You gotta put 100 yen in there.
I think it's time expired.
You
It wasn't
definitely-
my fault. That wasn't me.
Oh, you actually didn't press it?
I didn't press it. No, time expired.
Okay, you've got 30 seconds.
One. That was so close. I can do it.
More try?
This is easy.
It's easy, you're right. Why didn't you get it on the first try?
I was testing the limit.
Here we go. Oh, you were so
It
close!
changed the
You were so close. You can do
5
it.
coins for 6 play-ups. One more.
I didn't have a 500 yen coin.
Isn't it?
All right, here we go.
Look how easy this is.
Okay.
I didn't touch it. I didn't touch it.
Ah.
Hit it. Okay, recording.
In the zone.
Did you start?
Yeah, I hit it. I hit the button. Okay, this is bullshit. It cheats.
Okay, here we
It's
go.
impossible. You
You ready?
can't win.
It's easy.
It's not easy.
You ready?
It's impossible.
You ready?
You're not gonna make it. See?
It was so bad!
It was so difficult, man.
It was so bad. Okay, wait, hold on. One try.
One more?
More try.
Okay. Don't embarrass us, okay?
I already embarrassed myself.
So you just right now. Just hit it right now. Right now.
Look, I'm not even gonna look.
Right
Ready?
now. Ready? Now.
It hit the edge.
It hit the rim.
It hit the rim.